Hello, Hank. Okay. I've been working, what time is it now? Jesus, 12 o'clock, 12:30. Now I know why them them inventors and that, they always end up working at 2, 3, 4 in the morning. You know, like Edison. Well, actually, Edison wasn't exactly an inventor. He had a lot of geniuses chained to desks, but and just took their ideas. And he didn't really invent the light bulb. It was actually a couple gentlemen in Toronto, but they didn't have enough money to continue with their research, and Edison bought the patent. Lo and behold, a year and a half later, Edison was the great inventor. Aha! Enough of the history lesson. It isn't he who invents it first, it's he who patents it. Ah! Okay, I scrapped the aluminum sheet idea because I don't really have a good pair of tin snips. This is geez, I got this in Walmart. I hate that place. It's styrofoam board. It's nice and smooth, so get a bunch of them sticky pads and stick it on. In there, it's a bit messy because there's lights in here. There's 2 extra connections on every button. I'm going to pick up a battery for the lights. The batteries in there are just the case cut out and the little, I don't know what the heck you call them, batteries. The joystick has a plate on it that's adjustable. Like you can move the plate in different positions to go from 4 to 8 to slot, you know, back and forth like Galaga or something. But it's in the 4-way position right now. So we'll put her down. I'm going to screw it to the table and play around with this thing for a little while. I won't be getting it in. There's no point. The mail isn't going to move. So I'll get it in the mail Friday or Monday, and geez, it's Family Day here in Canada. So everything works. Tab, you get into the tab and go in and change the buttons, whatever, just in case everything's all messed up. So player 2, jump 1 button. Wonderful. Whoa. Are you ready? If you hit the player 2 button, it turns it off and on and switches it around. I'm going to put 3 Duracells in there, so it'll last a while. Anyhow, I don't know. Yeehaw. Alright, let's play. Enough of that. I want to make this video short. Escape. One. The joystick, you said Nintendo, it's just like a Nintendo America joystick. Well, it is a Japanese joystick and Donkey Kong machines, right? They opened the corporation America because, you know, that's just how things have to be done, right? Oh, I'm doing so great. Anyhow. I'm sure this is exciting. It works. So there you go, man. I'm gonna send that out to Dean. That's for now, right?